For more on the legal side of these crimes and the extradition issue, we're bringing in Misty Marris, legal analyst, trial attorney. Misty, it's good to see you. And first, your quick reaction to what you just heard. This was months before what happened in New York. Was there a failure in Florida that allowed this to happen?
That story was so harrowing, and to hear that this other terrible crime could have potentially been prevented, it's absolutely heartbreaking. And to go back and look at what law enforcement did at that time, obviously now somebody should be going back and finding out where the failure occurred, because there's no excuse for this, and we should not be in the position we are in today.
Let's talk about the fight over extraditing him as well. Is it common for states not to grant extradition for crimes like this? And do you agree that there are political games being played here?
Yeah, so it would be common for the state who apprehended the person to prosecute them first. So this is actually not an unusual situation that Arizona would have their crimes prosecuted first. The process would play out in Arizona, and then he would be extradited to New York. But the reasoning behind it is not what the Arizona district attorney is saying. It has nothing to do with the prosecutorial practices in another state. It's actually just more par for the course of the state law in Arizona would speak to that. And again, in a case like this, where there's a murder charge in New York and then serious attempted murder felony charges in Arizona, going first in Arizona from a legal perspective makes sense. It's just not the reasoning that we're hearing about in all of these press conferences on TV.
Understood. Misty Marris, always appreciate the context and time. Thank you.
Thank you.